Alright, brother. Got some fresh feed and water. This is the open plastic. Put your feed and water back into. Let them eat up. Wow, there's still some daylight. Alright, one last look before these guys go on their trip down to Iowa. It's gonna be a 300-mile race this week. Feed water on the way and set them off. I'm just down the block. Just gonna say our last goodbyes and see you soon. So only this week, this weekend only me and Johnson are racing. So we're gonna try to hold it up for our club and may let the best flyer win between me and Johnson. He's great, friendly competition, which is what everybody needs, is a little partner competition that drives and gets you going. All right, Johnson, good luck, brother. Here's our classic, and here's our open. What's up, Pigeons? Today's September 22nd, 2023, and we have our 300-mile final race today. And they moved the race day to Friday because Saturday is expecting bad weather. So this week, the final race is coming out of Lamoni, Iowa. And I believe that's the 300-mile. For our loft, it is 3:15, 3:14. But as of this weekend, I'm sending 10 to the open and 4 for the classics. So for the open, here are the birds. These are the guys that are still remain. 135.59, 67, 70, 74, 80, 83, 916, 601, 577, and 623. So if I were to pick a bird, I would just stick with my old pick bird, 135.59. That's the bird I'm expecting, or I'm thinking it's gonna come back first. And for the classic, we got 4 birds. We got 135.56, 560, 582, 586. 560. That's the bird I'm looking to see come back home first. If anything, maybe 82. But who knows? We're not gonna be home to be able to record the birds. I got work today since they moved it to Friday, so just gonna let Benzing Live do his stuff. So I shipped the bird yesterday, and seemed like there was quite a bit of birds left for other lofts, and should be interesting. These 2 guys right here, this Black Thunder, he was lost in the last race, and he just decided to show up last night when I got home after shipping along with 71. This is 135.71. So those 2 missed out on the 300 miles, which is kind of a shame. Kind of want all my birds to hit that 300, but this one is a lost bird. Contact the owner, and he told me I held on to it since he doesn't want to work his way out here to come grab him. But I let him out the other day. He was gone for a good week or two, and it looks like he decided to come back too, along with these guys. So, well, I'm gonna need you guys help your brothers and sisters drop down, and let's pack some birds.